Making money off of YouTube Shorts is a challenging endeavor to undertake. They are in no way comparable to long-form videos, which can be monetized in the following 4 steps. Participate in the YouTube Partner Program by signing up YPP. Publish extended video clips. Put the videos in a format that can be monetized. Collect money from the advertisements. On the other hand, YouTube Shorts, which are vertical videos that are no longer than 1 minute long, do not have a conventional monetization model. Currently, it is not feasible to insert adverts on a YouTube Short and earn money when others view it. How does one go about making money out of creating shorts? The parts are slowly falling into place, but YouTube Shorts can be monetized in various ways. Let's dive in. YouTube's funding for short videos. You may make money off YouTube Shorts in many ways by applying for a share of the $100 million Shorts Fund. YouTube announced this in 2021, and the platform has committed to rewarding creators with a monthly bonus that will come directly from this pool of money. The bonuses can range from $100 to $10,000, but the precise amount is determined by how well you did in the Shorts competition the previous month. Do you believe you should be receiving a bonus? The following are the criteria that must be met to monetize YouTube Shorts. Every 180 days, you should upload an original YouTube Short, not a TikTok video, for instance. To be considered an adult, you must be at least 13 years old or the equivalent age in your nation. Be sure to abide by the community guidelines and the monetization policies on YouTube. Reside in one of the permitted countries. After fulfilling these requirements, you will be entered into a drawing for a Shorts bonus. If you are chosen, YouTube will get in touch with you during the first week of the month, and you will have until the 25th of the same month to claim your bonus. Up to this point, obtaining a bonus has required many video views. It's a little disappointing to think that you need your video to go viral and then some to earn hundreds of dollars. Because of this, Rob Wilson, who is our YouTuber in residence here at vidIQ, is making an awkward face. Even so, getting something is preferable to getting nothing at all. This is a list of some of the earnings that various creators made from the Shorts Fund in the previous year. Tincraft, $200 for 7 million views of Shorts. King Proverbs is offering $300 in exchange for 5 million views of their Shorts. 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐬𝐷s is charging $2,300 for 130 million views of their short videos. The good news is that YouTube is expanding the number of producers eligible for the Shorts incentive. A more significant number of people will receive payouts of over the maximum amount of $10,000 and payouts of less than $100. If you are entirely committed to the process of making shorts, then this is something exciting to look forward to. Brand deals and sponsorships. Indeed, obtaining a bonus for YouTube Shorts isn't the easiest thing in the world. Thousands of content creators are vying for the monthly award, and the vast majority has videos with multiple millions of views. But what do you think? You are not required to participate in that fast-paced race. YouTube Shorts can be monetized in various ways, and one of the most lucrative prospects is the sale of sponsorships to brands. When a company sponsors you, they provide financial support in exchange for the right to promote one of their goods or services in one of your films. It may be a brand new series of computers, the most recent lightings from Lululemon, or even a squeaky designed to remove pet hair from soiled carpet. This is an example of a sponsored short that can be found on YouTube. 𝐤𝐤𝐤𝐞, again, an actress, serves as a spokesperson for the mobile video editing program Vita. If you're watching this video and thinking, hey, I could do that, then you're right in thinking that way. This is why. It would help if you merely had the correct audience and a solid YouTube resume to acquire a brand contract on YouTube. You don't need millions of views or subscribers to do so. In a survey of marketers, 51% responded that they intend to increase the amount of money they put into producing short-form content in 2021. Regarding short-form content, brands are eager to collaborate with producers. Regarding the last point, you shouldn't simply take our word for it. Justin Moore, a sponsorship coach, shares the same sentiment as previously stated. Moore argues that most brands don't want to deal with them because they believe that the only thing they're good at is long-form video. At the end of the day, he says, you're only excellent at long-form video. They want to have the impression that you have some latitude in terms of the types of material you may provide for them. Endorse affiliate products in your videos. Businesses know that YouTube channels with many subscribers have a lot of potential, and they are always looking for ways to use this to grow their businesses. Once you have a lot of followers on the platform, companies will probably reach out to you and ask you to promote their products in exchange for money. You could become an affiliate for one of these brands and put their products in your videos. To grow your affiliate network, you can also join well-known affiliate programs. It can be the best way to make extra money, but be careful because people know when something is being advertised. Monetize live streams via Super Chat. A popular new way to make money on YouTube is through Super Chat. With this feature, your viewers can buy chat messages that stand out and in some cases, pin them to the top of a live stream's comment section. So if you go live on YouTube, you can make money from your stream by using Super Chat. Super Chat can make money from YouTube between $1 and $500, and the company keeps 30% of the capital. You need to set up and promote live streams to make money with YouTube Super Chat. You can advertise them in videos on other social media sites and wherever your audience likes to hang out. Collect advertising revenue from YouTube Shorts. Currently, YouTube does not incorporate YouTube Shorts into its official program to monetize its platform. There is no way to become a YouTube Partner Program (YPP) member as a Shorts creator unless you are uploading long-form videos and reaching the necessary milestones, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And as a result, there is no way to generate income from advertising through the consumption of brief vertical information. However, YouTube plans to modify these policies shortly. Creators who have reached the milestones of 1,000 subscribers and 10 million Shorts views in 90 days will be eligible to apply to the program at the beginning of 2023. If you join the YPP through this entry point, you will be able to earn money from advertisements on short videos that are entertaining. You will also get access to other techniques for monetization, such as ad income on long-form videos, super thanks, super chats, channel memberships, and lots more. A revenue-sharing arrangement will be used for Shorts, just like it is for most of YouTube's income. Creators will receive 45% of the advertising revenue generated by their material, which is a slight decrease from the typical 55%, but still a significant improvement over receiving nothing at all. Why you should consider other sources of money besides adverts. Despite how simple it is to set up, earning money as a YouTube partner through advertising is not the most lucrative or stable revenue stream you can generate for yourself on this platform. However, it is one of the easiest ways to make money. YouTube videos that its moderators, or more likely, its algorithms determine not to be advertiser-friendly could lose their ability to generate revenue for one reason. That is to say, and they would no longer contribute to your financial well-being in any way. However, it is essential to remember that at the end of the day, even if you comply with all of YouTube's policies, it is still possible for part of your content to be demonetized, in which case you will not be able to remonetize it. This is important to remember. This alone should be plenty to convince you that advertising money should not be your primary source of income. Furthermore, although advertising may be a typical method for producers to generate income, the trade-off is that YouTube can keep approximately 45% of the ad revenue generated by videos they host. Where will your money come from if YouTube pays you? You will need to sign up for an AdSense account before you can start getting paid by YouTube. After you have supplied this account with the necessary information, you will be prompted to select a mode of payment here. Then, whenever your total earnings reach a predetermined barrier, currently USD 100, which is approximately equivalent to INR 7,500, you will be paid within 21 days. Is it possible for a new user to generate money on YouTube? It is possible to earn money on YouTube even if you are starting. To get paid by YouTube directly, however, you must enroll in the YouTube Partner Program. This program requires that you have at least 1,000 members and 4,000 view hours in the previous year. Therefore, a newbie has a few more options on YouTube to make money, which includes the following: applying to the YouTube Shorts Fund, buying and selling goods or merchandise. Your upcoming venture should be crowdfunded. Direct contributions from fans made through platforms such as Super Chat and Patreon. Obtaining a license for your material. Working with several brands in the capacity of an influencer. Affiliate marketing. Obtaining written permission from the video's original creator is one of the methods that are considered to be among the safest. You are also permitted to use video footage that does not infringe on anybody else's intellectual property rights. It would help if you search YouTube's video library for clips with a Creative Commons license. Every channel that a user has on YouTube is connected to their Gmail account. Because of this, the only method to get rid of your name is to delete the link to it from your profile. YouTube has a team of technical support staff members who can assist you with this. You also have the choice of using an alternative email address with Google, which does not indicate who you are or what you do. Using your real name is likely beneficial if you want to build a reputation online. People will view it as more credible and authoritative if you use your actual name on your channel. However, if we were to choose a different name, we would still achieve the same level of success in terms of branding. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.